Hey everybody, welcome back to Full Blast Garage. And I know I promised you probably wouldn't be seeing any more of the Chevelle before Poverty Tour, but man, a little local tour popped up, gave us a little opportunity to put some miles on this thing. And I mean, why not take it? You know, put a couple hours of driving on this thing, shake it down a little more, and get to meet a whole bunch of friends and hopefully people with like interests in barn find survivor Chevelles. We'll see, but we'll cut to what the drive looks like going there, and then we'll do a little walk around because we're meeting at some sort of muscle car shop. So hopefully we got some good stuff to show. But y'all stick around, and of course we're gonna put this thing on full blast. Just go out, do something that makes you happy, but make sure you're doing it on full blast. Well, yesterday was a total success with the Chevelle. So we got to meet some cool people, drive around, even though it was kind of rainy the whole day. Drive around in this thing, got lots of attention, lots of looks. I mean, 3 out of the 4 people that were at the gas station we stopped at, they all came over, looked at the car, checked it out, subscribed to the YouTube channel. That was pretty cool. This thing is an attention seeker. And I think it's just from the looks. I mean, it doesn't look like it should be on the road, and it's pretty funny. Like, it's pretty funny when people get up on it and see everything that's wrong with it. But I think a lot of people are drawn to stuff that's not so pretty, not so unobtainable. Like, this is something anybody could build in their garage. A couple things I did notice. Hot idle, little too low. Like it's like 500. I need to crank that up just a hair because it's on the verge of bogging with the idle so low. And if you're running the AC, it's cranking that alternator down, so it's pulling on it even harder. If I just cranked it up, got it to like say 650, that would be better for the motor and it's going to run better. And then, I mean, I just kind of want to look under the car. The exhaust kind of sounded again like it was a little leaky, but it just could be resonance or drone that I'm hearing and not a leak. But I do want to raise this thing up, get a squirt bottle. Let's squirt down the exhaust, see if I see anything bubbling from any of the joints. And if so, maybe I got to take them apart, slam them together more, or just crank down on the clamps or get different clamps. Because I just got the crappy horseshoe ones right now, and I might need to get the full 100% circumference clamps. But let's get this thing started up in the air, and then we'll start assessing the exhaust system. All right, cold start after a day of driving. Do 2 pumps and crank. Thing just fires right up every time. And it sounds really good. Going up. All right, got my soapy simple green here. Well, so far so good. I made it 3/4 of the way back. We're not leaking anywhere. Well, that's all our joints. I think we're good. I'm gonna run my hand around every joint to feel for any sort of air. Also, just in case, the soap normally does a really good job, but I just want to double check. Getting lots of just sound changes and resonance changes, and normally a sign you got a leak, but could just be breaking in.
I don't know just how this thing performs, but I'll check it out and let you guys know if I find anything.
All right, well, as it turns out, we had one tiny little leak passenger side at the very back. I had to go around and feel my hands around all the joints, and it was just little tiny stream of air, but that's enough to kind of give you like a little kind of ticking sound that you'll hear audibly, and that type of stuff drives me crazy, like absolutely bananas hearing something like that. So I had to go under there and just get the 9/16 open and box in because there wasn't enough room really for a wrench in there, and just tug. And I finally got it tight enough where it sealed everything up, and I was pulling to the point where I thought I was going to snap it, but it's fine. It's good. Car, I think, is in final state, other than I am going to cut out on the package tray where the speakers are. This car was, the package tray on the item listing said with speaker holes. There are no speaker holes, not even like the little drilled air holes. I'm just gonna get a template, print out one on my printer, and go around with like my flat blade saw, like what you use to like cut wood tile and crap like that, or your wood flooring, that little thing that just kind of vibrates and saw cuts. I don't even know what you call it, but I'm gonna use one of those on it and just kind of trace me out our speaker panels, because it's very muffled sounding, and that's kind of annoying, especially if you're gonna be on a road trip. So I'm gonna get that cut out, and then that's it. We're done. We're going on poverty tour. So I hope you guys continue to follow along, watch those videos, because I'm sure that's gonna be interesting from the lineup of people I've seen coming. I saw Pole Barn, of course, Mortsky, Junkyard Digs, Build Season, Inevitable Jim, Buff. I'm sure there's many more I'm missing, but I mean, and there's a bunch of people even like my size that are coming. So we're on the smaller end, the lower end down there of those guys. But hey, you know, there's only one way to go from where we're at, and it's up. So hope you guys have enjoyed the content, little cruise with the Chevelle. And, you know, if you could like, comment, subscribe, any interaction we get with the channel, especially before poverty tour, is going to give us that boost heading into it. So we'd appreciate that. And until you see me again, just go out, do something that makes you happy, but make sure you're doing it on full blast. And I'm gonna go ahead and back this guy out, because new project coming in right behind it. And you'll have to tune in to another video to see what we're talking about. So one done, next one in. It's just a revolving door out here.